Hello everyone. In this video, you'll learn how to leverage Log360, the unified SIM solution from Manage Engine to detect repeated SQL injection attempts. SQL injection is one of the most common web hacking techniques where attackers gain unauthorized access to a database by exploiting vulnerabilities in a web application. Here, attackers inject a malicious SQL code to the web application to execute a malicious query in the database to gain access to sensitive information stored in it. This information may include user credentials, personally identifiable information, personal health data, or financial data like payment card information. Stolen credentials can then be used by attackers to move laterally through the network, accessing critical systems. This potentially disrupts the network, posing significant risk to both network security and data integrity. Now let's explore how a SQL injection attack is carried out. Attackers begin a SQL injection attack by identifying vulnerable inputs in a web application that communicates with a database. These inputs could include form fields, search boxes, URL parameters, or other mechanisms that accept user input. Once a vulnerable input is identified, attackers insert a malicious SQL code into the input field, modifying the original SQL query. The modified SQL query, when executed in the database, may allow attackers to perform unintended actions such as viewing, modifying, or deleting sensitive information stored in the database. In more advanced SQL injection attacks, attackers may exploit vulnerabilities in the database server itself, extending the attack to the underlying operating system. This can allow them to execute system commands, escalate privileges, and move laterally across the network. Thus, it is crucial to analyze incoming queries to web applications and web servers to detect SQL injection attempts in real time and protect sensitive data in databases. Now let's see how a unified SIM solution like Log360 can help you in a situation like this. Log360 comes with predefined correlation rules for identifying repeated SQL injection attempts. Correlation is the process of identifying a sequence of events across one or more devices which are all related and form a single incident. You can find this under the Correlation tab of Event Log Analyzer or the SIM module of Log360. Select the Manage Rule option. Click on Search to find the correlation rule for repeated SQL injection attempts. You can find the correlation rule to detect repeated SQL injection attempts under Web Server Threats Rule category. To understand how this rule works, let's make a copy of the rule. The correlation rule for detecting repeated SQL injection attempts has been set up in such a way that you'll be alerted whenever a series of SQL injection attempts are made on a web server by the same source. However, the criteria for the rule to be triggered is that the device type and the source IP address should be constant and there should be at least 5 attempts made within 3 minutes. While this rule will help you detect repeated SQL injection attempts, to get timely alerts, ensure that you enable the alert profile option available beside the rule name. You can find the reports on repeated SQL injection attempts either by using the Search Available Reports option or by using the drop-down under Web Server Threats. Apart from giving you a visual representation of the number of correlated events, Log360 provides details such as when the action occurred and the device type. By clicking Event Timeline, you can view the series of events responsible for the generated alert. Click on Details to learn more about the events. Log360 also comes with sort capabilities. This means that if you associate a response workflow with an alert profile, Log360 will be able to carry out certain automated actions such as terminating a process or service and disabling a device or user. However, to prevent future attacks, here are some steps you can take. Review security controls in web servers and databases regularly. Review and audit system processes periodically. Identify gaps or weaknesses by reviewing and updating your security policies. Implement MFA, review user privileges, and grant access based on the principle of least privilege. And lastly, invest in employee training and user education to prevent future attacks. If you have any questions or would like to get a personalized demo, please send an email to log360-support@manageengine.com. Thank you for watching this video, and if you wish to see Log360 in action, visit this link and download our product. You can also get a free 30-day trial of Log360 and evaluate how it satisfies your requirements.